Heard you need to chill.
I've been up for a minute, now I'm down for it. I've been good with the team, never bad for it. I'ma work for the winner, never slack for it. And I live for the king, I got a crown for it. I know the way, ayy, know the way. He really is the way, he the way, ayy. You can follow me, ayy, I know the way, ayy. Never been afraid, cause we know the way, ayy. Ain't no shame in the way. See me smiling, I don't hide the pain in my face. Oh no, no. Give my all, I'm raising the stakes. People try to beat you, but we ain't in a race. Gotta believe there's still an open door if you don't see it. Just as long as I know my purpose, I won't lose it. I can't leave it. I get knocked down all the time, that doesn't mean that I'm defeated. I'm going through changes, ways, grace, know my place. Yeah, I made mistakes, but I didn't stay. Kept the faith. Not the same after everything I've been through. All I really wanna say is I've been up for a minute, now I'm down for it.
Hey, welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures. Yeah. All right, let me hold this right. Hey, we're on our way. This was a last minute decision. Yep. We're on our way to the Code Exposure 4 show, given by Thorpe Entertainment over in Carson, Virginia. We're gonna ride over, get a little footage for you guys. It's a car, truck, and ATV show. So we're gonna go over there, get some footage, look at some ATVs, right? Yep. We're gonna drive GNX 548 over there, and just, have some fun, right? Sun is out, but it's still kind of windy and cold. So I don't think we gonna show. We just gonna go over there, bring this good footage to you guys of this actual show, car show, truck show, ATV show, and hanging there with us, team run it. We're gonna run it back to you guys in a few minutes. Talk to you.
All right, guys, we made it. I know you can hear the music in the background. Hopefully, that's that copyright. I hope we don't get beat up on that, right? But we made it. We're not gonna show the car because it's actually dirty, y'all. If y'all can see it behind us. And then they out here with four-wheelers, y'all. I gotta get up out of here before GNX 548 get all dusty and disgusted, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get a little footage, then we heading out. But other than that though, it seemed like it's a good turnout, but it's a lot of trucks. But all right, guys, we're gonna try to get a little bit of this footage and share it with you guys. All right, talk to you later.
London sound.
The GP will see you now. The GP will see you now.
Yeah, I ain't lying, I might go dumbo. Super sick of what your ears flapping like a Dumbo. Beat that 808 is slapping, I'm the new Mutombo. All we finished, all we done, I'm not the one to stun on. I got that, whoa, this the type of track you run on. This that once you hear this, you may never wanna come home. This that tell your shawty, watch it when the song come on. This that cannon about to murder every rapper, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna be standing in the street, bringing the heat, banging the beat. I'm confident, I'm gonna be flaming the G-Rap in the middle of the West. I'm wild with it, I'm a grind by, get the beans, I gotta be, get it ready for the haters often. I'm the venom, ripping instrumentals, beware, be cautious. I'm a gunner with the quickness, coming with a vicious juice up, loose up. I'm on a mission, get out the kitchen, y'all don't believe it with us. I'm trying to get ahead of my business, keep with the faith, not to the big grind with the grace, get it down for the culture. Let's set it straight, who besides Doc and Derek, raise it up, soldiers. I'm chosen, name a couple artists that can rip the cannon hard out. Hadoken, hotter than a cup of coffee with the cream simmering. What's the commotion? He's a Nicky 40 cannon coming with the whole conglomerate. I'm posted, I'm dragging anybody coming for me, I'm a champion. They know this. What is y'all saying? Y'all don't want me to go no Sinego Super Saiyan. I go back up in the studio and then they get to praying, Lord Jesus, here you go again, here you go again. I'm shining, but no, not like my watch. You find Christchurch like my heart. Yes, my hood, yes, my block. I don't want attention if I'm a rap, I'ma sit aside, man, I want no props. I want God, them see God, bless his body. We got flux, running everything, man, in the brain, getting in the heart, man, it's shining with you, kinda getting heavy in the game. And it ain't my strength, but the weekend is giving me growth and it's giving me power. Dang, man, it's not canon, it's Jesus up in this mainframe. Think, why would I steal his glory from the king? Dang. That's all I got. Psych! Let me take it to the fire. Tryna walk with a word with the hill of my problems. Really wanna follow my father. Man, it took pain like a painkiller, killing my problem. He took it the hardest. You ain't never seen another king with a king. Kinda cool in the summer with flame in the winter, cause we're running like dang. I ain't know we had thunder. Calling everybody my brothers. Hard in the pain.